Holiday fun. Where is your favorite place to go on holiday? Do you like visiting cities? Let's hear from two people who are enjoying themselves on holiday.
I'm in Paris, France with my family, and we're having a great time. Today is the 14th of July. It's Bastille Day, and people are celebrating it with parties and parades. They hang flags everywhere. Right now, we're having a picnic in the park. It's warm and sunny here. I can't wait to watch the fireworks at midnight.
I'm in Moscow, Russia with my sister Jane. It's raining right now, but we're having a great time. People here are celebrating Maslenitsa to celebrate the spring. There are festivals, sleigh riding and puppet shows. Right now we are eating blini. These are thin pancakes with lots of butter. They are so tasty. I can't wait to see the burning of the figure of winter later.
What celebrations are there where you live? Do people visit your country to see the celebrations?